For the bases, big prey coming through, so niggas better make space because I'm known for taking suckers out constantly. And ain't a bitch on the man who could fuck with me. I don't be on the hot list, so dead the glam of the glitz. I keep it real
And brain is all the same while my flow will catch flame and all your lanes get burnt. Lyrically, I'm a bully, use my skill like a pulley, cause I'm not your average bully. I get high like coolies. Now listen how this go. See, I fry that ass like Crisco. Big League the Giant from New York and not San Francisco. And when I disco, cuties crumble like Nabisco. Hug my nuts like pliers, cause my desire is to keep on
The definition of a slaughter, put a bullet through your wifey to get a quarter from your daughter. That's the new world order. Waterfalls like drug dealers and rappers. The highway to heaven got too much traffic, that's why I'm stuck in hell, walking backwards. Talking about I'm leaving on the next plane. The midnight train to Georgia, cause I put a slug through the devil's Nautica. Weak lyrics fucking bore me. I owe Jesus $1 here. Pow! Pay him for it.
Now it's the MOP, GOP, trying to make that DOE. Accepting credit cards, checks, money orders, and COD. I bring the drama fam, any party I'm a slam. Couldn't see me if I was a baby and you was a sonogram. My niggas lack stealth, who to make the track melt. Couldn't kick it harder if your father was a black belt. Trying to get with this is ridiculous. You couldn't fuck around if your style was promiscuous. Nigga, I'm sick with this lyrical syphilis. Style is straight up inconspicuous, like I'm the infamous. Lyrically, I be incidents, no run on sentences. Rock anytime, any instances. We rappers make them my apprentices. That's how I'm ending this.
Now who the fuck wanna fuck with us? Better make plans or make them exodus. Cause if you test, you rather leave a bloody ass mess when you do. I'm rolling in deep like the root. Now how many y'all want try? Cause the first one step up gon' be the first one to die. You bitch ass niggas live a lie. Cause when the real niggas ain't jump, you reply. My roots grow up in Bed-Stuy, and I'll be representing Brooklyn till the day that I die.
Nowadays I hear MCs that I can't feel, and these days they don't keep it real. When they on wheels, rappers who say they rappers blow up or fall off faster. There comes a new jack nigga like me that's all the caption. The crowd's attention, getting you stuck like detention. Didn't I mention my thoughts be lost in dimensions? Y'all bugging, Diablo is definitely in this mother. You get me mad enough, I'm bugging your word to my grandfather.
I'm writing or reciting off the top of my head.
I will pull you up with lead.
Follow me, Red, I catch a third-degree fever. Then I throw it all on paper. Got white people saying, earpart, that's good flavor. I'm baking like soda. I swing like Arm & Hammer. Freestyles for hire. Sitting by the fire with your mama. You said I washed up and that my shit won't sell. But my colors don't fade. I give it my A-L-L. On guard, touche. I kick ass like sensei. I dale huevo to esa loca. Comprende? I'm in this like in this. Until the record's broken. Twas the night before Christmas. I kicked the gift but still got open.
Now when you try so hard to put the niggas
Call live and set your charges stage, but you never have the heart. While your girl's charging up the bill on my pager, I'm major, even on the minor notes.